Data import and export, comments and macros. Line can be commented using the number sign. Empty lines will still be processed and will result in clearing the original values. If you want to ignore the certain column, specify special word ignore wrapped in less and more than signs. Macros can make your ImpEx more readable. Treat macros as variables with text that is reused later. The other option for eliminating code duplication and making the ImpEx more readable is abbreviation. Abbreviations are defined in the system properties and are available for every single import process. There are a few out-of-the-box examples that you can look on. Here is the example of custom abbreviation that is logging the value. First, I add the ImpEx header replacement property. Once it's defined, I can use it in my ImpEx files. Here is one more abbreviation example for staged and online catalogs. There is a special case of import that is user rights. User rights are having few rules. They are started with the Start User Rights line. Header cannot be changed. First, the principal, that is group or user, is specified. Later, you can specify list of types or even attributes and rights for them. In the end, ImpEx is finished with the End User Rights line. If you want to run an ImpEx from code, you have to get the ImpEx resource object that is wrapping your input. There are 4 ways how to get such resource. Create it from the string. Get it from the PC file. Get it from the class path file, or get it from the media. The ImpEx configuration can be changed in code as well. The import config class wraps configs for import and can be used for such changes. The distributed mode lets you to utilize the clustered environment for import processing. It will split your import across the nodes and different node will get a piece of import to process. Take into consideration that functionality in such mode is limited. You will not be able to config the maximum amount of threads, whether dumping is enabled, should import fail on error, and legacy mode is not available either. That's it for comments and macros.